Hi learners, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on information technology based services in libraries, part 2. Last class we covered part 1 where we discussed some of the services being provided in libraries based on information technology. Let us have a recap. Online public access catalog, digital library services, electronic document delivery service, institutional repositories, bulletin boards, current awareness service, and selective dissemination of information services. These are services yesterday we discussed. Okay, what we are going to discuss today is e-journal and e-book service, readers advisory and online reference service, electronic thesis and dissertations, ask a librarian, mobile-based services in libraries, audiovisual services, virtual library tour, AI-based services. So this is agenda of today, information technology-based services. Okay, the first service which we are going to discuss today is e-journal service. You know, e-journal is a journal which is created for the electronic medium and available only in this medium. And we call e-journals in different names such as online journals, electronic serials, e-serials, electronic periodicals, etc. E-journals can be used by more users at a time, and it offers a unique feature, that is, it has a link to the related items and the references are linked with hyperlinks. So anybody can access the articles which have been referred in that particular journal through that particular hyperlinks. And users can access e-journals wherever they feel and whenever they want. And it also supports multimedia information and less storage space is required for electronic journals. So electronic journals are available in various forms. One is like a subscription based and open access. The subscription based open journals, that means the journal can be subscribed after paying the subscription fee, and otherwise the journal is open for all in the open access mode. Let us see, there are some journals which have been let us see some major e-journal publishers: American Chemical Society, American Institute of Physics, American Physical Society, Elsevier Science Direct, Emerald, Institute of Physics, Institute of Studies in Industrial Development, JSTOR, Oxford University Press, Springer Link, Talon Francis. These are the names I think most of learners must have practiced while searching your e-journals. But there are some journals which are available in open access. Such type of directories which will help the users to access or to find out e-journals which are totally free. That is the directory of open access journals, DOAJ, DOJ. DOJ.org, you will find thousands of DOAG, that is a directory of open access journals. You can access by typing in the URL doag.org. You will find open access journals and articles, thousands of open access journals and articles in this website. Another open access journals available at almost another project which we can say regarding this journal, open access journals, you'll see the Project Muse. Next is the Project Muse is a unique collaboration between libraries and publishers, providing 100% full text, affordable and user-friendly online access to a comprehensive selection of prestigious humanities and social science journals. You can also visit Project Muse. Similarly, in the e-journals, we can also having e-book service through which we will provide the book in the digital form to the users. So this e-book may be simply the content of a written manuscript converted into a format that can be read electronically and may be bound digital. Okay, bound digital books also available, or digitized content of books also available in the form of a e-book service. E-books usually read on a dedicated e-book readers, or we can use our personal computers or your smartphones to read the e-books. The major e-book publishers, Elsevier, Cambridge University Press, Springer, Taylor Francis, Cambridge, Well Technologies, Oxford Medicine, Oxford Scholarship Online. These are some major e-book publishers you will find while you subscribe, you are purchasing the e-book for the library. Again, you will find the Directory of Open e-books, DOB. DOB, you will find Directory of Open Access e-books. You will find more than 85,000 of books related to your academic field. It is free of cost. Similarly, you can find the many books, or almost 70,000 free books. It can be downloaded to your PC, your Kindle, or your any other portable devices. That has been developed through a project known as Project Gutenberg. You can access Project Gutenberg through www.gutenberg.org. Okay, you may find 70,000 very useful books for your academic purpose. There are some dedicated ebook readers are available, devices are available. There you can use specially designed for ebook reading purpose, for example, the Amazon Kindle and your smartphones, Apple, iPad, and etc. People are using for reading the ebooks. Another service you will find the web-based, totally web-based service, you will find it is online reference service. In the online reference service, it will provide access to a comprehensive array of digital reference materials, including encyclopedias, dictionaries, research guides, or scholarly databases. These services support users in conducting in-depth research by offering authoritative sources on a wide range of topics. Moreover, users can engage with the library experts through virtual reference desk, chat services, email consultations. And there is an interactive model that extends traditional reference service into a digital domain and making it easier for users to obtain reliable information remotely. There are some examples of online reference sources. You'll find Encyclopedia Britannica, encyclopedia.com, dictionaries online. Okay, you may find many sources on that. For example, you will find the encyclopedia.com. You can access the whole encyclopedia electronically. And Encyclopedia Britannica online, it is available. You can access the Encyclopedia Britannica through online. Using all these resources, the library can provide online reference services to them. Dear learners, we will having another very important IT-based services, electronic thesis and dissertations. It is very much useful for the researchers because the thesis and dissertations have traditionally been quite limited with regard to when, where, how and whom they are accessible. Most of the theses and dissertations which were available only in the libraries, or a copy maybe with the supervisor or the researcher. It was very difficult to access a thesis which have been submitted in Delhi University while sitting in Kerala or while sitting in Chennai. So now we can access the thesis worldwide. You can retrieve any thesis which is available, which are submitted in Indian universities while sitting anywhere in the world. So this ETD is a document that explains the research or scholarship of a researcher or student, which is expressed in a form of simultaneously suitable for machine archives and worldwide retrieval. NDLTD, it is a networked digital library of theses and dissertations, is an international organization dedicated to promoting the adoption, creation, use, dissemination and preservation of electronic theses and dissertations. So through NDLTD, anybody can access through their search window. You can type your subject or keyword or name of the supervisor or the guide. You may be able to access the thesis. You will wonder if you came to know that this NDLTD has a collection of more than 65,000 of theses and dissertations. And if you think of Indian context, you will find the Shod Ganga. It is a ETD. It is a reservoir of Indian theses. It is also contains more than 5 lakhs theses in the Shod Ganga portal. Next web-based service we can say is audiovisual services. Audiovisuals offered by libraries encompass a diverse array of multimedia resources that enhance learning, user engagement and access to information. So these services automatically include access to audio recordings, video materials, multimedia presentations and interactive contents. Such type of services being promoted in libraries, especially those who want to learn languages or providing the special services for the visually impaired students or the users. Another IT-based service which we find in the libraries is Reader's Advisory Service. Because the reader is always having difficulty to find the sufficient literature or the books or materials which is required for the particular user. So to avoid this confusion and guiding the user to get this relevant document, the libraries are providing Reader's Advisory Service. Reader's Advisory Service is a IT-based service in modern libraries that enhance user engagement by providing personalized recommendations and seamless access to reference materials and expert assistance. Obviously, this is based on the advanced algorithms, machine learning and data analytics to generate customized book recommendations tailored to individual user preferences. And these recommendations generally inform to the users by reading the histories, their general preferences and specific interest. ensuring that the suggested materials are both relevant and engaging the reader. Now we are discussing another important and interesting service which is being provided by the libraries with the help of information technology, that is Ask a Librarian. Ask a Librarian services are internet-based questions and answer services that link customers to individuals with advanced topic information and skills in performing reliable searches. A web-based query and entry form or an email address or both are available for most Ask a Librarian programs. The users can ask questions to the librarian and the librarian will find out the answer of that question or answer of that query and will inform immediately the users. This service is being much popular among the libraries. And another important service which is being provided by the libraries is mobile-based services in libraries. Mobile technology being used to provide these services, because we know almost all the users having their smartphones in their hands. So that we can engage the users by providing the mobile-based services to enhance the accessibility to the information, sources and resources available in the libraries. These services provide a wide range of offerings such as mobile optimized library websites, mobile catalogs, and various communication tools including chatbots. Libraries further utilize SMS notifications for real-time updates on checked out items, due dates, and reservation of books by providing a timely and efficient communication method. Another service is virtual library tours. Every library website increasingly offer virtual library guides that provide comprehensive overviews of the physical facilities, collections, services and infrastructure available within the library. It will take the user into the library collections, library services, and the other infrastructure facilities available in the library for the users. So further, many libraries are adopting new technologies such as QuickTime movies to enhance the virtual tour experience, moving beyond traditional image maps commonly found on main campus website. AI-based services. It is a service being rendered to the users by using artificial technology. You know what is artificial intelligence? Okay? Artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It's said by John McCarthy. He is known as a father of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence mainly focuses on understanding and performing intelligent tasks such as reasoning, learning new skills, adapting to new situations and problems. You may find AI-based services in different aspects of library different aspects and different activities of libraries. We will be discussing AI application libraries in detail in coming classes. Still, we can have an overview how AI has been impacted on library services. AI automates cataloging and metadata generation using natural language processing (NLP) and reducing the manual effort. And libraries can use AI chatbots for 24/7 support, handling inquiries, services, and reservations, easing staff workload. AI-powered predictive analytics helps libraries make data-driven decisions on acquisition and resource allocations. And just to be discussed, the AI-based recommendation systems personalize user experiences by suggesting relevant books and resources. Machine learning aids in digital archiving by digitizing documents, transcribing text, and preserving the content. And AI-driven plagiarism detection ensures academic integrity by comparing works against vast databases. You might also find AI robots in libraries. Robi, a library inventory robots, you may find in the Singapore library. Okay. This Robi, it will take the stock of the books to find out the loss of books as well as the misplacement of the books. And another robot you see here, it is known as a paper. It is available in Ronek Library in New York. So this type of robots have been ruling in libraries nowadays with the advantage of artificial intelligence. Similarly, the augmented reality, which have been used nowadays in the education field, this also we can find augmented reality based services in libraries. As you know, augmented reality, AR, is a technology available on mobile devices that allows users to experience a layered computer-generated enhancement to their real-world perception. And in summary, we've seen there are many IT-based services are being provided to the users by many libraries. IT-based services have dramatically transformed library services, significantly enhancing their accessibility, management, and user friendliness. So you see the digital platforms have experienced libraries reach beyond physical locations, allowing users to access resources remotely and facilitating the integration of various types of media, including e-books, online journals, and multimedia content. And many libraries are facing the problem of storage. The cloud computing has provided libraries with scalable storage solutions and advanced data management capabilities, ensuring that large volumes of information can be efficiently stored, retrieved, and shared. And we also discussed mobile-based technology that have made library services more flexible and accessible. Yes, we also seen in this previous slides that mobile technologies have made library services more flexible, allowing users to engage with library resources and services through their smartphones and tablets, thus enhancing the convenience and accessibility. By embracing these technological advancements, libraries will continue to adopt and adapt the changing landscapes of information access and management, ensuring their relevance and vital contribution to the society in the digital age. So, with these words, I wish to conclude. I thank all the learners for the patience listening, and we will come back with another topic in the next class. Thank you very much. Take care.